2.5 lakh students from over 1,000 schools across 35 cities turned out for the preliminaries. This is India's biggest spelling test. Spell Bee, India Spells 2013. We've reached St. Mary's School, Masgaon, Mumbai, one of the city's oldest Catholic schools, at first exclusively meant for European and Eurasian students. Dating back to 1864, it's noted for its neo-Gothic architecture with sprawling grounds in the heart of the city. Here, watch India's top school spellers go head-to-head as they vie for the title National Champion of Spell Bee India. With an honours degree from Oxford Balliol College and a master's from the London School of Economics, please welcome our host, Soha Ali Khan.
Hello, or shouldn't that be Spello? Welcome to India's biggest spelling competition. It's the third semi-final of Spell Bee India Spells 2013, powered by the Times of India in association with CCOD, Real Food Power and Air India, an initiative by Radio Mirchi. Have you ever heard of the term portmanteau? In simple English, it's a word that combines two words. Here's an example of one. I'm describing something huge. I could tell you it's this big, I could say it's gigantic, or I could use enormous. But there's something about ginormous that communicates exactly the fantabulous humongousness of what I'm describing. Portmanteau lets you add a little something, like in chillax. I'd like a little chill with my relax, please. But enough of me trying to confuddle you. How about getting spelltastic instead? It's Spell Bee time. Each of our semi-finals will be contested by 4 of our top 16 spellers from all over the country. They're ready and they're waiting. Let's find out more about them.
Hi, I'm Sachita Nishal from class 9 and I study in Delhi Public School, Surat. The 2 things that I would really like to do in my life are learn to fly a plane and go faster than the speed of light in some really exotic spaceship in space and yell out, "Booyah, light, I beat you."
Hi, my name is Arijit Das. I study in class 9 in Devi Public School, Airoli, Navi Mumbai. I want to become a biotechnologist because I want to make my country disease-free.
Hi, I'm Sadhna Punaluri from Delhi Public School in Secunderabad. I have a lot of hobbies, but I really love playing the violin. Some people say that it is one of the hardest instruments to learn, but I actually do not agree.
Hi, I'm Bhargavi Goel from Delhi Public School, Basant Kunj. I study in class 8. My favorite word is Vis Popo because I really like Roald Dahl, his style, and the way he uses words which actually don't mean anything.
Congratulations for having made it so far. I know that the competition has been very stiff, but I'm here to tell you that it's only going to get stiffer from now on. There's a lot to play for. Only one of you will make it through today, and that person will get to take home some lovely prizes. Those include, of course, this magnificent trophy that you see over here, as well as a cash prize of 50,000 rupees, as well as, and most importantly, a place in the final round of the Spell Bee. We will have 3 rounds of spelling in this semi-final. In this first round, I will ask you to spell 3 words each. They will be of increasing level of difficulty, but you will also be awarded increasing points for each word spelled correctly. Let's begin round 1 with our first contestant, and her name is Sachita Nishal. Welcome, Sachita.
Hello.
So you're a pro at this. You've done this before.
Yes. Yes.
I believe last year you made it through to the finals.
Yes.
So how have you prepared to win this year?
I asked my parents to quiz me words from the dictionary.
And how did you do?
Pretty well.
I hope you do more than just pretty well. Your first word for 5 points is itinerant.
Okay. Can you give me the meaning, please?
Yes, it means traveling from place to place.
Itinerant.
That is correct.
Okay. I-T-I-N-E-R-A-N-T.
Absolutely correct. That means you have 5 points, and you're now playing for 10 points. Your word to spell is chinchilla.
Can you give me the meaning, please?
A small South American rodent with soft grey fur and a long, bushy tail.
Okay. Chinchilla.
That is correct.
Okay. C-H-I-N-C-H-I-L-L-A.
Absolutely correct. Your third word to spell is longer, meaning a tedious passage in a book, piece of music, etc.
Okay. Longer.
That is correct.
L-O-N-G-U-E-U-R.
Absolutely correct. Which means at the end of round 1, Sachita, you have a perfect score of 30 points. Well played. Let's invite our second contestant, and her name is Sadhana Ponaluri. I wish you all the best. Your first word to spell for 5 points is virtuoso.
Could I have the meaning, please?
A person highly skilled in music or another artistic pursuit.
Virtuoso. V-I-R-T-U-O-S-O.
Absolutely correct. You have 5 points. For 10 points, your second word to spell is consummate.
Could I have the meaning, please?
Showing great skill and flair.
The language of origin?
It is from Latin via Middle English.
Consummate. C-O-N-S-U-M-M-A-T-E.
15 points. You could also have a perfect score at the end of round 1 if you spell this third word correctly. Yeoman.
Could I have the meaning, please?
Meaning a man holding and cultivating a small landed estate, a freeholder, also a servant in a royal or noble household.
Yeoman. Y-E-O-M-A-N.
Absolutely correct. Which means at the end of round 1, you also have a perfect score of 30 points. Well played. Let's see if our only male contestant today can also match up. And his name is Arijit Das. Hi, Arijit.
Hi.
Are you feeling outnumbered?
No.
No? The only male contestant, the only one who's not from DPS today.
Yeah.
Round 1, 3 words to spell. Your first word to spell, Arijit, is syllogism, a deductive inference whereby 2 statements are used to prove that a third statement is true. For example, all humans are mammals, I am a human, therefore I am a mammal. Syllogism.
Syllogism.
That is correct.
C-I-L-I-G-I-S-M.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. The accurate spelling of syllogism is S-Y-L-L-O-G-I-S-M. Your second word for 10 points is avaricious.
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 Okay. Usage, meaning?
The meaning is having or showing an extreme greed for wealth or material gain. And if I were to use it in a sentence, the young heir's avaricious behavior was thwarted when his philanthropic grandfather donated all his wealth to an orphanage. Avaricious.
Avaricious.
That is correct.
A-V-A-R-I-C-I-O-U-S.
Absolutely correct. Which means you have 10 points to your name. Well done. For 15 points now, your third word in round 1 is barracuda. Are you familiar with this word?
Yeah, it's a sort of fish.
That is right. A large predatory tropical marine fish with a slender body, large jaws and teeth.
Okay. B-A-R-R-A-C-U-D-A.
Absolutely right. Which means at the end of round 1, Arijit, you have 25 points. Well played.
Thank you.
Let's now welcome our fourth contestant to the stage. Her name is Bhargavi Goyal. We'll begin round 1 with you. Your first word for 5 points. Misogynist.
Can I have the meaning, please?
A person who hates women.
M-Y-S-O-G-Y-N-I-S-T.
That's incorrect. The accurate spelling is M-I-S-O-G-Y-N-I-S-T. It is of Greek origin, taken from the word miso and gun, meaning woman. But we move swiftly on to your word for 10 points, Bethesda.
Can I have the meaning, please?
A pool in biblical Jerusalem believed to have healing powers. Also a chapel.
B-E-T-H-E-A-S-D-E-R.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. The accurate spelling is B-E-T-H-E-S-D-A. Your third word for 15 points is Demitasse.
Can I have the meaning, please?
It means a small coffee cup. Demitasse.
D-E-M-I-T-A-S-S-E.
Absolutely correct. And with that, you have 15 points. Well played. At the end of round one, here's our leaderboard. In fourth place with 15 points, Bhargavi Goel. In third place with 25 points, Arijit Das. And tied in first place with a perfect score of 30 points each, Swachhata Nishal and Sadhana Ponaluri. Swachhata and Sadhana got off to a blazing start, but round two, the elimination round, may see a dramatic change of events. Bhargavi and Arijit still have a chance, so don't go anywhere. You're watching Spell Bee India Spells 2013.